Good morning, crypto fam. Hope you guys are having a great and wonderful morning. Now, today, Jerome Powell will discuss the whole Fed rate interest rate cut. But this is what I'm looking at, right? If he doesn't cut them, are you either going to hold or fold? That's the point where we are at right now. If he cut him, he cut him. If he doesn't cut him, it is what it is. I'm still going to accumulate these bags. And I know you guys been seeing, I've been accumulating. Shout out to Richie. Shout out to everybody who's been accumulating. And even those who are not accumulating right now, it's still Gucci because you're still holding. But I'm going to play this clip right here with Raul Paul. Hear what he has to say.
It's not a mystery. It is a repeat of the debt cycle. They are rolling the debts. They are doing the same thing. Each cycle is not to do with a halving cycle, nothing to do with any of that. It's all driven by liquidity cycle and funding of debts. Each phase, we get phase one of the banana zone, banana number one. The corrective zone, banana number two comes. Another correction, banana number three. So this is the banana zone. So that's what happened in 2020, 2021. Off we go. Sorry, that was 2017, which again looks very similar to this one. That was the last one. Here we are now. It can't be clearer to me. I've shown you the macro evidence, the technical evidence, the sentiment evidence. Everything here suggests to me that hold on to your hats. Don't fuck this up. Don't lose control of your tokens. Don't use leverage. Don't get your wallet hacked. Just sit with it. Be careful. Don't get FOMO. Do all of the right things, and we'll go up to the next phase of correction zone. That's going to be harder because the next one that happens, we'll have a 35% drop, and you'll all say, "Is it over?" And you'll definitely be sure it's over. And everybody on Twitter will tell you it's over, and it won't be over. By our work, we suggest that because of the elongation of the business cycle, because rates were higher for longer, the forward-looking liquidity suggests that
Hold on.
things.
Hold on. Hold the F on. Because what we are dealing with, like I told you guys, with the rate cuts, we haven't been experiencing them. So we're like backlogged for a long time. So right now we're running off of liquidity, not by the Bitcoin halving cycle. And do you know how much liquidity that is in the crypto markets? Do you guys know Dogelon Mars has shit tons of liquidity? This is why they push this out to you guys to see, hey, Dogelon Mars has a lot of liquidity, a shit ton, basically stating that the major whales that is holding this asset is not draining the liquidity because they know it's going to go a lot more higher. Like what he said, hold on to your hats. Do what you need to do now. Don't wait until it happens. Do not wait until it happens, because damn it, I don't give a damn. We're going to Mars, baby. We are going to Mars. I don't care what anybody else say. Hey, sell your bags if you want to sell your bags. But he's showing you, oh, are we at the bottom? Are we at the bottom yet? And right now we're like, we're not even talking about where we at right now. He's talking about once we go parabolic and people are thinking like, oh man, we're going to go back down. Let me go ahead and put my sell order in. Let me go ahead and put my short buy order in. And then you get wrecked.
And we'll go up to the next phase of correction zone. That's going to be harder because the next one that happens, we'll have a 35% drop, and you'll all say, "Is it over?" And you'll definitely be sure it's over. And everybody on Twitter will tell you it's over, and it won't be over. By our work, we suggest that because of the elongation of the business cycle, because rates were higher for longer, the forward-looking liquidity suggests that again, probabilistically speaking, without any guarantees, this whole thing goes into Q1, maybe Q2 of 2026, which would align with Trump's, trying to win the midterms as well. So everything's lined up for us. I think it started. So keep the faith, keep building stuff, and let's keep driving Siri forward with all of this. Thank you.
So look, if we don't have the rate cut this year, I still have time. I still have time. So if you're watching this right now, you still have time. And you see Dogelon Mars is not going to add a 0. We're too powerful. We still have time. So your favorite assets that you see, no financial advice, accumulate. Accumulate. That's all I can say, man. That's all I can say. Like, of course, we don't have shit tons of millions of dollars or thousands of dollars. We're working day by day, you know what I'm saying, putting money into, these assets. And we're seeing the money that we inject into these assets are decreasing in value. A lot of people get frustrated. A lot of people get like, man, forget this crypto stuff. Let me hop onto these stock options or these futures trading, which is cool. Don't get me twisted about that. But if you don't have patience, ambition, and knowing the game, it's all about patience. You will reap your rewards. As you see here, massive. Emirates Airlines will accept payments in Ethereum. Make it make sense. You see all these major institutions, they're waiting until all the institutions have their share, their right size of what these institutions feel like they should have in these digital assets. You see, first it started off with Bitcoin. Larry Fink, BlackRock, he's seen Michael Saylor buying shit tons of Bitcoin. And he was like, you know what? I'm going to jump in the ocean and buy me shit tons of Bitcoin. Now, people in the background, when I mean by people, other institutions, other partners, they're watching. Oh my God, BlackRock got into crypto. They're buying Bitcoin. Are they insane? But then all of a sudden, 2 weeks or a month later, they're hearing that, look at how much millions and billions of dollars they have made. So another institution say, let me hop in. So right now it's a trading war. Who can buy the most Bitcoin? Now you got BTMNR. They're coming out after SharpLink says they're accumulating shit tons of ETH. Family, the ball, listen, now with everything aligning, everything is making a lot more sense. It's not the market. It's the manipulation. It's the manipulation, family. They are psyching you out. They're mentally psyching you out for you to sell your position because they know the economy is hard and they're waiting until these bills pass and everybody is thinking about, well, what should they do in their finances? It's a perfect layout. It's a perfect play layout. And you got to remain humble and focused. This headline is about to bring more market cap to Ethereum than Bankless in 2021. Peter Thiel leads pack of investors piling into Ethereum. Proponents see Ethereum becoming the platform of choice for the financial world. And Dogelon Mars is a financial instrument. And we were created on the ERC20. Make it make sense. UAE Airlines now let travelers book flights with crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Emirates, Air Arabia, and more are on board with broader roll out by 2026. Again, family, this is we're going to experience the super cycle. I know there's a lot of people, holders are not long-term holders. I know there's holders that's ready to cash out, which is not wrong to cash out, but damn it, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna take out what I need and not what I want to be mentally strong, because damn it, we are evolving into digital currency. We're not going back to fiat. Fiat is going to be here for a little bit, but why cash out everything and be in fiat? It just doesn't make sense. As you see here, the European Union is speeding up plans for a euro stablecoin with potential rollout on Ethereum. The EU tried to start their own stablecoin called One back in 2006. Come on. Arthur Hayes just admitted he bought back ETH because the chart says it's going higher. He sees Ethereum running up to 20K this cycle. When asked ETH versus SOL, he's overweight on ETH. Make it make sense. And as you see here, the whole financial system is going to move to ETH as a foundational layer. Eric Peters is the CIO of Coinbase Asset Management. Mega bullish ETH, one of my favorite episodes.
You can be a long-term bull and you can be bearish in the short run. I've called ETH a dog for so long because it has been, but like it hasn't gotten me bearish on ETH over the long term, because we're building things on ETH, and now you're starting to see it's like, okay, the whole financial system is going to move, I believe, to ETH, and as just a foundational layer. If you have that conviction and you kind of see things unfold, it's fine to be like, this thing is such a dog. And it was like, everyone hates it, but you kind of knew that things that are being built on this are going to start to get announced and Wall Street's going to come to it. And then you're like, all right, well, I don't know what your valuation model is, but if people start really using this across the financial system, it's going to be, the price is going to be higher than it is today, particularly when everyone's so bearish.
You hear it. You hear it.
You can be a
man, I appreciate you guys tapping in, locking in with me, man. Stay bullish. Hey, whatever news come out today, it could be bullish or it could be very bullish at the end of the day, which meaning he could not cut the rate cut, or you could cut them. Like OT Genesis, cut it, cut it, cut it. If you don't cut it, hey, I'm going to go ahead and stack it. I'm going to stack it. I'm out.